Hey everyone, welcome back to Bear's Workshop. In today's video we're going to do something a little bit not so workshoppy, but we've got this wireless mic that we want to show, do a little unboxing review and see how this works, because we want to start using it for videos to make better quality videos and audios for you guys. So let's see how it goes. So the reason we got this wireless mic was because we've had audio issues. We happen to live on a main road and we get a lot of cars driving back and forth. We get a lot of background noise. We're kind of in an airplane route for small planes, so we get small planes flying over all the time. So we want to get a mic that would capture our voice and not all the background noise. And this is what we found on Amazon. This is a Travor professional wireless headset microphone. It really doesn't have much branding on it. It's made in China, but it's got two headsets. It says that it works good. It's got good reviews off of Amazon. So we're going to give this a shot. It was around $70 or $80, and there will be a link in the description if you're interested in looking at this. So let's see what we got. So this is what's in the box when you open it. We've got the user manual. We got a bunch of different wires, because I know that there's different types of earpieces and headsets for different options for whatever you want to do. I'm not sure what anything is yet, because I've never used one of these before, so I'm as new to this as maybe you are, or maybe you're the expert and you can tell me what I'm doing wrong. This just looks like a charging cable. So does this, because there's two of those. Those probably go in there. This looks like an earpiece. This, don't know. This looks like some sort of thing to connect, because this gets mounted on the camera, which we will show you. This looks like a full-on headset with two headsets, so you can wrap around your ear. And these are the main body thingies for each transmitter. Don't know if there's any power onto these, if they've been charged or not. It looks like we've got something. Batteries come charged, at least on that one. You do have to hold it down a little bit. And this one is also charged. So we have two microphones. They appear to both be charged. We have two headsets. We have two earpieces and a couple other little wires. So we're going to show you, one of these is the receiver that plugs into the camera. So, and then the camera gets mounted. I believe it's this piece right here. I'm not looking at the instructions, maybe I should. This piece and this will get mounted onto the top of the camera. We have a Canon EOS 80 that we're going to mount this onto. So I'm going to take a look at the instructions. We're going to have to get another camera to show you how we're mounting it, and we'll see if there's any setup that goes on with the camera itself, and then we'll show that to you. So let me take a look at these instructions. Okay, first thing we're going to do is we're going to hook up our receiver to our camera with these three pieces. This is the adapter that's going to mount on top of a camera, on an SLR camera. So let's go take a look at the camera. And on this particular camera, our connecting point for the microphone is right here. So first thing we're going to do is screw this together. Make it nice and tight, and then turn the thumb screw, and we're going to mount this just right in here, and we're going to put that like so, and then we're going to tighten this down. We are going to use an adapter cable that goes from here and plugs right into here. So this plugs into here, and this will plug into the microphone. Oh, that's not the right one. Here's the right one. And you don't need to do any internal settings or anything like that. On this side of the camera, we have a power button, which is right here. It's pretty small. That's one thing I'd say I don't like about this, is you really almost need to use your nail in order to get on. The blue light means the battery is charged. And right now, there's no other lights on because there are no transmitters that are connected. Once you turn on a transmitter, and the power button's on top, and again, it's a small button, hold down the power button, and the green light comes on. Now, if we were to connect two of these at the same time, because we want to have two going, you can see the light changes to like a bluish green right there. Now, if we turn off the first channel that we turned on, you see it's blue. Both of them at the same time are going to be the greenish blue. Just having one of them on not that one. Just having one channel on, you get full green. So that's how you tell which ones are connected. You either get a green, a bluish green, or a blue. And that'll tell you which ones you have on. So right now we just have one on, and we're gonna go back over here and we're gonna hook up the microphone, and then we're gonna start testing it. Okay, so right now we turned it back off. We're gonna connect our microphone, and you push it in and then you tighten this. You need to make sure that you tighten this all the way. If you don't get it completely tightened, there's going to be movement in the microphone jack, and you're going to have static. So now we've got it plugged in. We're going to go ahead and turn this on, and then we're going to move back to the camera where this is actually set up, and we're going to start testing it and see how it works.
Okay, so now we're going to do a distance test and see how everything works. We're also going to see about picking up background noise. I've got cars that are that way at the front of the property that are driving by. So I'm going to walk away, and hopefully you guys can hear me. We're going to see how well this works. The microphone is connected right at my shirt collar, so it's just a couple inches away, and I'm going to keep walking. A car just drove by. I don't know if that was picked up or not, but I'm going to keep walking, and here comes a school bus, so we should be able to pick up the school bus, but hopefully we don't. And there goes the school bus. All right, I am probably 150 feet away and dancing, a little bit of a dance. See if you can see that in all the noise. If I tap dance from here, maybe you should hear it, maybe not. I think I'll walk back now and we'll see how. Are you still picking me up? I think I'll walk further away. So let's see how far we can go before it cuts out. Let me know when it's not picking it up. Are we still good? What? No? Okay. Tell me when you start picking it up. Now? All right, so that's our distance, if you're hearing me. So that's pretty good. All right, start walking back, and I'll just talk about the weather. It's late October. It's like 98 degrees. I live in the desert, and it gets hot. But it's nice in the winter. And there's still a lot of cars passing behind me. I don't know if they're getting picked up or not. We're hoping that they're not. But I'm mentioning it so that we'll know whether or not we should be listening for it. Okay, that's it. That's it for this test. We're gonna go listen to it, and then we'll comment on it. Okay, so that was our distance test. You might have heard that clinking that was going on, and I noticed that it was happening when I put my left foot down. Now, I don't have a wooden leg or anything like that, so we surmised that it was because I just let it hang in my pocket, and it was bouncing against my wallet, and it was causing a little bit of, the jack was just hitting just right to make that little click, click every time. So, mount it somewhere. We're using the microphone right now. The noise from like the school bus passing, you really couldn't hear it. So that was really good. While we were messing with this and putting it together, we did run into a white noise problem. We found out our connections were not tight enough. So make sure you jam that stuff in real good. So that was a problem that was slowed us down for just a couple seconds. But yeah, you don't want any white noise. So now it's pretty clear. The clinking noise is going to be taken care of because I'm going to wear it properly. The battery time, it takes about 2 hours to charge, and it will last, they say, about 6 hours. So you get 6 hours of usage. Comes with both chargers. I like the way how easy it was to hook up 2 microphones, because all you got to do is turn it on, and the receiver will tell you whether both are connected. So that was nice, just by the color of the lights, the blue-green. Green, blue, blue-green, which really is somewhere in the middle of the blue and the green. And that way you know you have both channels working at the same time. We tried both channels, and both channels work just as good as a single channel. The headphones themselves, the ones that wrap around, they work the same way. There's no issues with them, no problems with them. So overall, this is going to work for our simple little YouTube channel and our workshop so that we can bring you better audio. But it's also another review for you guys to see me spending money and seeing whether these products are good or not. So if you like this video, you know what to do. You hit the like button and then you hit the subscribe button. Thanks for watching, and we will see you next time. Bye-bye.